So these are the methods that we use. We use surface swabs, passive air settling dishes, which do a short-term time integrated sample of dust that might, or microbes that might settle out of the air. And then we also do active air sampling with liquid impingers. All three of these techniques have been validated and proven to be very effective at collecting specimens from our buildings. Once we have those specimens, we will process them using a quantitative reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. And I'll just have to say, look, I'm an architect and I'm just so glad that I could actually get those words out. It's a mouthful, but really the takeaway here is that these are reliable, sensitive techniques. They're really the gold standard. They're research grade, and there's guidance from the World Health Organization as well as the Center for Disease Control about these methods. It's what we're doing in our research, and it's what we're seeing other people publish. So why test buildings? The image on the right is of the call center in Korea, again, published late March, early April, and it showed an attack rate of 45% on the floor. So almost half the people tested positive upon subsequent contact tracing. The image on the left is this concept that we could test buildings and implement controls to mitigate potential outbreaks or at least reduce the spikes through engineering controls, deep cleaning, and also focused human contact tracing and testing. And here's really where it hits the road, where the rubber meets the road. We can see in this call center on February 22nd was the first time someone showed up with symptoms. So chances are the 3 days prior to that, they were pre-symptomatic, shedding virus into that space. If we had found the virus in that space on February 19th, 20th, or 21st, it's quite possible we could have minimized that outbreak a week later. And if that was too few virons to be detected, which is possible, I have high degree of confidence that we would have seen this spike and been able to at least take the edge off, because these people would have been shedding virus into the space as early as February 24, 25, 26. And I think we could have retrospectively shaved or eliminated that spike. So now what? You have this information. The good news is there are engineering controls, practices, policies, procedures, PPE, et cetera, that can be triggered to help minimize outbreaks and give feedback through repeated testing about the effectiveness of these engineering strategies.